In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly link your Netspend card to PayPal and transfer money between the two with ease. Whether you're streamlining your spending or simply consolidating your funds, this guide will take you through every step, making the entire process clear and understandable. Let's begin by linking your Netspend card to your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account, whether you're on the website or using the app, whichever you find most convenient. Once you're in, look for your wallet. This is your go-to section for managing the financial tools connected to your account. Now click on Add Bank or Card. Sometimes you might find this under a section labeled Bank Accounts and Cards. It's essentially the same place. When prompted, you're going to want to select Add a Bank Account. But here's the important part. You'll need to enter the routing and account number specific to your Netspend card. It might be tempting to use the 16-digit card number, but hold off on that. The bank account number associated with your Netspend card is necessary here. After entering these details, just follow any on-screen instructions that come up to complete the verification process. Verification might take a little time, but it's crucial for securing the linkage between your two accounts. Now, with your Netspend card successfully linked, you can transfer money to PayPal, creating a seamless flow for your finances. Head back to your PayPal wallet. You'll find an option labeled Transfer Money. Click on that, and you'll see Add Money to Your Balance pop up, a straightforward choice for moving funds. Here, you'll then select your newly linked Netspend account as the source of funds. Type in the amount you wish to transfer. Take a moment to ensure the amount is correct because there's nothing worse than needing to reverse a transfer due to a simple typo. Once you've verified everything, go ahead and confirm the transfer. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your Netspend card to your PayPal account and transferred money between them. This setup not only grants you flexibility in managing your funds, but also saves you time, making online transactions a breeze. Remember, each step while managing finances should be done with attention to detail to ensure a smooth and secure process. If you ever encounter any hiccups or have questions along the way, both Netspend and PayPal have customer service teams ready to assist. Enjoy the convenience and control this integration brings to your financial management. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and I hope it simplifies your financial transactions.